The Fairy Queen has a gift of abundance for you, and it is the form of an etheric necklace designed with a symbol, with an energy, with a frequency from nature, from the beautiful earth and all the elementals. She would like to give this to you now, so open your imagination and allow yourself to receive this beautiful necklace. Open to what it looks like, what shape it is, what color it is, what magic it holds. And just let yourself experience the power of this pendant. Let her gift that to you now, and then go ahead and put it on. And open to the blessing from the Fairy Queen to you and to your path of abundance, your path of the wealth of riches of the earth. Open to connecting with the earth and all of nature. She's sending you her energy now, anchoring it in your body, in your pendant, and helping you hold those frequencies of light for great abundance in all ways of your life. So welcome in these beautiful riches, these precious treasures that come in all different forms. Enjoy.